Assalamu alaikum. Today we study the period of Caroline period. This is a part of Renaissance age. Before this lecture, we study the Renaissance age and the parts of Renaissance age. Caroline, not Elizabethan and the Jacobean age. No, we study the Caroline period with explanation and writers and rulers. So the time period of the Caroline period 1625 to 1649, and this definition: the Caroline period is the phase of English history and literature during the reign of King Charles I. The name of Caroline comes from the Latin words Carolus, meaning Charles. This age marks the decline of the Renaissance spirits and the rise of political and religious conflict. So the ruler names King Charles I, 1625 to 1649, strong believer in the divine rights of king, ruled without a parliament for many years, executed in 1649. This age, what happened in this age? Conflict between the king's parliaments, religious tension, Ecclesiastes, church vs Puritans, growth of the Puritan powers, English Civil War 1642 to 1649, theatres closed in 1642, and of monarchy with the execution of Charles I. Latin literature of the Caroline period, dominated by poetry, drama, declined. Court influence was strong. Literature became polished, lyrical, and refined. Themes of this period: love, loyalty, religion, honor, beauty. Major writers and their works: Robert Herrick, Richard, Sir John Sucklings, Thomas Crewe, Isa, and religious serious poets George Herbert and John Milton. Just one is John Milton is the important writer of this age. So the period of the Caroline, and after Caroline the Renaissance period is end on the 1660s. So the 11 years is government of Commonwealth. So we define Commonwealth time period. Definition of the Commonwealth: 1649 and 1660. This period is called the Commonwealth period. Is introgum. And during this time, England had no king. The country was ruled first by Parliament and later by Oliver Cromwell as Lord Protector. So ruler King Oliver Cromwell 1653-1658, Lord Protectors Richard Cromwell 1658 to 1659 succeeded his father. In this period, what happened? Monarchy abolished, England declared a republic, strict Puritan law rule, theatres and amusements banned, strong moral and religious control. Political instability after Cromwell's death ends with restoration of monarchy in 1660. So the period of is end. If you have liked this video, subscribe and share your opinion on the comment. Thank you.